Hello and welcome to Crowwing FPV. In this episode, it's going to be kind of a quick episode. It's not going to be, I'm not going to be going in depth on anything. I'm not going to be doing examples or anything like that. It's just pretty much me flying my Cloud 149 again. I love this drone so much that I miss flying it because I was having an issue with shark bite. So long story short, I'm getting a new pair of goggles being sent back to me from GetFPV, and once that's back, I'll be back up and running HD again. However, I switched it back to the Rush FPV Tank Ultimate Mini, which is an 800 milliwatt VTX, and it runs great. I mean, it looks good, runs great, plenty of power. Yeah, so I just felt like posting it, felt like flying it, felt like recording it, and I did run everything through ReelSteady Go just to make everything look even nicer. I'm more into the cinematic shots than I am, you know, freestyle. And you'll see that my, if you've watched my videos from the beginning, you'll see that my control is getting a lot better. It has a lot to do with this quad. The Cinewhoop is just a very fun, steady, smooth flying quad. And, you know, a lot of that has to do with the components I put in there. The Rush FPV stack is just incredible. So, and these 8-bladed props are just, they're so quiet. So yeah, watch the footage. It's not very long, so enjoy, and thank you for stopping by.